Hello and welcome back to the channel. Now, before I start this video, first a disclaimer. I am going to be making a lot of sweeping generalizations, some cliches and stereotypes in this video. They are necessary for the purpose of the content, so I forewarned you before we carry on. So, black girls, big butts, and the dollar sign. Now, I know the sort of imageries that these words conjure up, and I already know the thoughts that you're having and the comments that you're thinking to leave. But before you leave those comments, please first hear me out. Okay, so let's start off with the easy bit. Saying that black women have big butts is not at all controversial. There are no controversies to be had there. There's no fights to be had there. Yes, I know that not all black women have big butts. Yes, I know this. And yes, of course, I know that there are women from XYZ country or blah, blah, blah ethnicity that have big butts too. Yes, I know this. But the point I'm making is, generally, it is universally accepted and agreed that black women have the best butts. This is just a fact. This is a blessing that black women have been gifted with, and we adore them for it. So, big butts, no controversies there. Okay, so to the next point. Now, I like money. You like money. Everybody loves money, especially women. Women especially love money. Just hold on and let me explain. The reason why people love money is not just for the sole purpose of owning it. It is not art and you cannot hang it on the wall, but it can buy you a nice piece of art to hang on the wall, and that is exactly the point that I am making. People love money not for its own sake, but for the things that you can afford them. Now, what that money affords you is entirely a different matter, because the true test of money is not just in the having of it, but in the usage of it. We often hear phrases like, all money no taste, all the gear no idea, and so on. And whilst these terms are often said to disparage and said out of envy, often there's a grain of truth to them. Let me give you an example. In Nigeria, where I come from, we have a nation of people called the Igbos. It is often the running joke in the country that the Igbo man knows how to make money but has no taste. And as if to make true this cliche, you would see an Igbo man walking down the road wearing a red Versace shirt, yellow trousers from Louis Vuitton, white Italian shoes from Milan, and a purple hat from Savile Row. I kid you not. Now, whilst I accept that taste is subjective and the look that I have just described has a certain sort of swagger to it, it is certainly not my kind of swagger, certainly not. But I digress. Going back to the topic, black women, big butts, and the dollar sign, we have already discussed some of the reasons why people love money, but the number one reason why people covet money is, of course, for the protection that it affords. Money insulates you from some of the dangers that life presents, and this really is the number one reason why people seek money so fervently, for protection. And there is no one more in need of protection on this planet than the black female, because when you boil it all down, the black female is the most vulnerable person on this planet. So there you have it, short and sweet. Black girls, big butt, and the dollar sign. So the next time you see that slay queen with a killer butt in the tight-fitting dress, spare a thought for why she's having to be the way she is. She's on a hustle, no different from how you are on your own hustle, but you are approaching your hustle differently. It is all about self preservation. So we leave it there. Thoughts rather are shared in the comments section on this channel, and that is usually where the conversation takes place. So we should have this conversation in the comment section. I'm looking forward to what you guys have to say on this topic. Do you agree with my view? Am I completely off piste in my thoughts? Let me know what your thoughts are. So I'll leave you here, and I'll join you in the comment section, where I'm hoping to have a robust conversation with you chaps. So like, share, and subscribe, as the saying goes. So I'll leave you here, meet you there, and I'll say peace.